Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sherem Diecast. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notification, and leave some comment in my videos. Help me with the channel. I need more comments and I need more likes in my videos. Go ahead, and I need more subscribers. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and help me with my channel. I hope you like my video. Today I have all the golf items that Hot Wheels have released. And here I have the new Golf Datsun 510. That is the main star in this video. But also I will show you all the golf cars that I have in my collection, including Team Transport, including the 2-pack, this special edition of Calculator that was released in 2017. That there is one item, that is this car here, that have the golf logo on it. And also I will show you other Datsun 510, especially this one that is from this set. This is the Datsun Bre. So beautiful. Also, I have here the last golf car released from Redline Club. That was the Golf Raptor. That I did a video with this one with all the golf, the old 17 Ford F-150 Raptor. I have a nice video that everybody liked it. Please go ahead and watch the video and subscribe. It's a very nice video, and this is a very nice item. Yeah, but this one was the first golf car released on the Redline Club. Also here I have loose cars, also with the golf logo on the side. This one was for the Hot Wheels 50 years anniversary. This is the Galaxy 65 for Galaxy. Here is the name in the base. It's a very nice piece, a little bit heavy. Too long, don't fit in my plastic case. And also I have here a McLaren from the Calculator series of 2017. I forgot the name right now of the Calculator series, but this is a McLaren. The name is here in the bottom, Mclaren F1 Gtr. And if you know, please let me know what is the Calculator series. Also I have the video. Yeah, that's why this one is loose, because I opened it in a video that I did in my channel. Go ahead and check the video in my channel. Leave me some comment, give me a like. And also for the Raptor that I said before, yeah, the video is here in my channel. Go ahead. I think this is my best video. The best video of the channel is the one from the where I have all the 17 Raptors, one behind another. Yeah, right now I have 2 more 17 Raptors, or 3 more that are not in the video because the video was done in 2019, I think. Yes, but I'm planning to do a new video with those 3. Yeah, including the last Raptor that Hot Wheels did in the Redline Club. Alright, let me show you here the other car from this Calculator Premium box set. one for me is my favorite. Have a very nice details. I don't want to open it. I want to keep it in the package. Have a very nice art. Yeah, also I have here from the Car Culture Cargo Carrier series. I think this series is from 2018. Yes, I think, I'm not sure. 2018 or 19 maybe. But it's another one that have the Golf logo here. I have here also the full series of the Golf, Car Culture Golf, that was released. I think this one was in 2020, I think. Yeah, but I have this item that is the 69 Ford Mustang, plus 302, very nice piece, a lot of details. There's the other one. That is the Nissan Lauro 2000 SGX. I have one of the most recent releases that was from Pop Culture. Is the 83 Chevy Silverado with a big Golf logo in the car. This one is a very popular casting. I have the other Car Culture cars with the logo on it. This one have the logo in the front here. And I have another Mclaren F1 Gtr. This one is darker than the first one that I showed you, but this one was released first and then the other one. I'm trying to remind what is the Car Culture. I think this is the, okay, I got it. It's the British something. I already know something. It's British. The Car Culture name was from 2021. It's a very nice casting, the McLaren. Yeah, this one have the number 3. That was the first one released. And this one have the 21 on the side. Let me do this one here. And the last Golf item that I will show you is this one. This is the Teen Transport that was released the last year with a Lancia Rally 037. Here's the car. This one is part of my collection of Teen Transport that also I did a video. You can find it here in my channel. And because I will show you the Datsun 510, also I will show you other Datsun that I have here. This one is loose. It's a Datsun 510 for another Car Culture series. I think it was the race. Let me see. I don't know, it was race day. The name of the Car Culture series, but no matter. Okay, I have this one from another Car Culture series, and I have this one from another Car Culture series. Sorry about that, I didn't do my assignment to find the right name of the Car Culture series, but you can Google it or check it in my channel. Yeah, I have other videos. I have the 2 packs of the Datsun press that was released like last year. This is the Also, I have the Datsun bread that I showed you before, and this other Datsun from the Team Transport sets, and I have other two here in the back. This one was the membership of 2019 of the Red Line Club. That was a Datsun. Let me take it out from the clear protector pack. There is a beautiful piece. Okay, that was the congratulations on joining the most awesome car club on the planet. We are kicking your membership. Yeah, that was the membership card of 2018. Yeah, that was my first time in the Red Line Club. Yeah, here in the top. And this car is the number 9193. Okay. Very nice. And the other one is this beautiful piece that was released in 2020, I think. I'm not sure with the days and the years. Yeah, I find out here. And this Japanese classic looks better than ever. Spectre flame, braggy yellow is the color. Yeah. The name of this car is Katakana. Okay. It's a nice piece. The number of the car in the car is the 6,000. Let me show you here, 6,285 or 15,000 made it. Yeah, I'm not sure how many was made it here. Oh, and that one was 17,500,000. Okay, let me put the Datsun here. And now is the time to see the new Red Line Club Golf car. That is the Datsun 510. Okay, let me take out the tape here. Okay, I'm honest, I opened it before. It's not the first time. Okay, but this is the package, the outer package, the white box, and here is the official package of the Golf Datsun 510 with the name over here. Let's go to open it, and here is this beauty. Check this out, my friends. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me take it out from the acrylic. And here is the car. What do you think about it? Send me something in the comments, please, and give me a like in this video. Have an open trunk here, but have a little plastic that I will remove it. And here is the engine. What do you think, guys? It's a pretty nice item. Okay, here is the engine. Very nice. It's an open hood. I think this is the innovation in this casting. The other one don't have an opening and hood. Yes. Check the details on the side. The rims. Both colors. Let's see the interiors. Hold on a second, I will use the light here to see the interiors. I don't know if you see it, but don't have too much to show it. It's okay. Okay guys, let me put the light here. This is the new Golf car from Redline Club. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being my subscribers and watch my videos. I know it's not one of the best YouTube channel about diecast, but I'm trying to do my best, and with your help I will improve. Please go ahead, feel free to leave me some comment, give me the recommendations. Yeah, I only have like 2 years doing this, but I don't have all the time sometimes to do a video weekly, but I'm trying to do my best, and now I'm doing some chores that I want you to watch it and leave me a comment and give me a likes and help me to raise my channel. Thank you for watching, and a lot of blessing for you, my friends. And today is 4th of July. Enjoy the day, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.